Okay, so we took images of the CMX theater earlier. Here we go. This is my Daytona Beach. I love Daytona Beach. Been here for 30 years. But just kind of showing you what's what around the block. I have my friends out here and just kind of taking a quick panorama to wrap it up. Watch Snow White. Really, really good. Audio description was great, but I would say the hardware has some issues. So here we are. Just again, quick panorama. Welcome to Daytona, because the sunshine is always shining to Florida. And these are some great people. We will just keep passing, because I didn't ask if I could record them. But thank you so much for catching us watching a audio described movie. And I hope you could ask for your theaters to bring your audio description to you. I know for you people out in Pennsylvania with Penn Cinemas, I'll work on it, and other people. So thank you so much.